I have seen it all. But this, hell no, man. Hell no, man. Who is Sweet Clover? Who is Sweet Clover, guys? Wow. The stadium was packed. You know, the stadium was packed. Respected people were there. If I say respected people, you get what I'm saying. You know, I've seen it all. But this, watch the video, man. I hope you're going to enjoy. Cheers, man. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Cheers, man.
Mhlambe ziye sahlangana kodwa I would like to thank everyone and for your attendance and everything. Guys, even there's someone la enqotho ufuna ukwenza okuthile, ngicela naye ukuthi simsupport, siqhubeke naye njalo sibambane izandla and go forward from here to infinity or to the galaxy, wherever. So I'm just showing my gratitude. I'm very much grateful and thankful for everyone who came, even the journalists noma intatheli bazothanda indaba. Ngiyadala kodwa I'm very much grateful and angazi ukuthi ngizothini kodwa sicela nokubonga no masipala ukuthi uwazi ukuthi basenzele umsebenzi omuhle kangaka ngoba ayikukhulu kakhulu akusinto encane ngikula kusothanda ukubonga nje ngokuhluka uba mhlonishwa ubaba Meya uShabalala nobaba Messi sicela nje ukubonga ukuthi basenzele into enkulu kangaka ngaphandle kwabo ibingeke sibe impumelelo kodwa ngithanda ukubonga na wonke ke manje umuntu uvotile ke everyone. I love you all. What a wow. You came in numbers nazothi qathatha. Nisile ngifuna no 2 million ngenibona. So ngiyabonga. Before ngivala nginikhumbuza ukuthi uSweet Clover isigebe sikabambe kuze saphumethele utakhimina record. More than taxi driver usomatekisi ogeza eshaweni. Ngani shetsile lokuza nodansa ngebheshu. Wazi mngani ovukuliti. Lalela safike egoli noboya obumnyama bhuqe. Bashintsha abamhlophe qwa zaze safa eHlorini kwiJakuzi. I love you all.